It's food o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. Been to Sainsbury's this week and I was wandering about thinking I'd need something to pick up to review. So I kind of zoned into let's find something really interesting for my viewership, for people to watch. So I went around the chilled aisle first and I come across these. Left them on the shelf. Dine in for two, triple cooked chips. £3.50. 22 minutes in an oven. I'm going to stick mine in this air fryer right here for about 15 minutes, I reckon. There's a look at them. So I left them on the shelf for the time being. Carried on walking around and I thought, what can I put with these triple cut chips? I went down the beans aisle. I thought, can I get some posh beans? Some like cheesy beans or something posh. Didn't really exist. And then I went through the gravy sort of part of Sainsbury's and come across this, brand new. And I thought, there's a video right there. Posh gravy and chips. This was £3.52, so the chips were £3.50. This stuff was £3.50. OXO nourishing bone broth. So it's going to be like a big thick, you can either cook it or drink it, as it says on the back. So what we're going to do is get this open. Oh, how does this work then? Right. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. I mean, I nearly did this. Have a smell of that. Oh. Wow. See how thick it is. We give it a shake. Ooh. 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 Uh-oh. This ain't gravy. Oh no, what have I bought? Yeah. Oh, I thought I bought posh gravy. Nourishing bone broth. That was £3.50. It smells fantastic. Real obvious now, isn't it? A real sort of real strong beef. It smells like a really good brisket. Right, we'll have to make do with it. I bought it now, haven't I? Look at these chips. Look at those chips. Get them in the air fryer. Full power, 15 minutes. 200 degrees. I'll warm up the bone broth. Do you know what? I'll just probably warm it up, right? Leave it in the pan. You've seen it, haven't you? You've seen it's like a thin liquid. I'll leave that in the pan, warmed up, and we'll just dip the chips in it and see what we get. Right, okay. It looks like we're ready to get into these chips. Let's get them out in the air fryer. Whoa, look at them. They look tasty, don't they? I'm just going to use the foil tray. And I'm going to use the foil tray because I'm going to pour some gravy in here. I've had a few minutes to think about it. Let's, first of all, without hastily jumping into the gravy, let's try one of these triple cooked chips then from Sainsbury's. They are £3.50. They're not cheap, are they, for what you get? So they've got to be good. Potato looks nice and fluffy in the middle. It's a decent chip, that. Touch dry. but nothing a little bit of gravy won't sort out. You're going to cover this sort of thing in salt and vinegar anyway. They taste pretty good without. So, steamed for a fluffy interior and gently fried for an extra crunchy finish. They're generally... This sort of thing is usually beef, triple cooked beef chips, aren't they, or something? These are just being triple cooked in rapeseed oil. They're not bad, actually. They're not bad for a triple cooked rapeseed oil chip. I prefer beef. Don't get me wrong, but we don't get beef. We haven't got beef, have we? Tell you what we have got. Bone marrow gravy. Stock stuff. A little bit dry. Could do a little bit more taste. I think it's time for the gravy, don't you? Just quickly, these are part of their dine-in. It's a side. You got the meal deal side there. So you got, I think you get a starter, a main, and a side. Something like, they're like 15 quid. Right. Here's this bone broth from OXO. Let's see if these cheer up the chips a little bit. Ooh. Hot. Just made beef stock. It actually tastes like beef stock chips now. Got there in the end, cost me £7. It's something that, I mean, I could scrap the video, couldn't I? But I don't do that on the channel. I don't do that. I like to carry on with my, this is a bit of a mishap in there. This is a bit of a mistake, a bit of a boo-boo. We all make them in life. Mine just happened to be on YouTube. For me, how that looked, especially when it says drink, cook, I thought, oh, that's going to be a really thick. And I shook it in Sainsbury's as well. I give it a good shake. It sounded thick, and I thought, oh yeah, we'll get some of that. Mistakes are made, aren't they? It's very thin liquid. It's alright. I think what needs to happen, let's make the chips swim. Oh! Oh! Yes, look at that. Now they're swimming, so I poured some on my hand, and then the foil was getting hotter and hotter instantly. Yeah, they need to soak in a little bit. That's better. That is much, much better. I still wouldn't buy it again. It was still a boo-boo on my behalf. You're either going to drink this stuff, or you're going to make some base stock thing out of it. I don't feel like, because I got it wrong, I don't feel like I can rate it, because I got it wrong. I think maybe just buy some and stick it in a casserole or something. Maybe do that. It's pretty okay with the chips, but nothing like a proper sort of sprinkled OXO on top of your gravy, on top of your chips would be much better, wouldn't it? The chips, they're okay too. They could be triple cooked beef cooked chips, beef dripping chips. In fact, they're triple cooked rapeseed oil chips. They could be a bit. I will rate these. I will rate them and I'll give them a 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10 from Real Ale Craft Beer. They could be better. They could be beef fat. They could be beef dripping chips. Especially for that £3.50 you're paying. I hope you like my rather interesting bit of a balls up of a video. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.